Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the MSI MS16R4 battery warranty. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your battery remains in great shape, and we'll also highlight some professional services that can make this process hassle-free. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and some isopropyl alcohol along with a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Having the right tools on hand is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's start with the physical inspection of your battery. Ensure that your MSI MS16R4 is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Locate the battery compartment on the bottom of your laptop. You might need to remove several screws to access it. Remember to keep all screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic pry tool to gently lift the battery out. Be cautious during this process to avoid damaging any connectors. After removing the battery, inspect it for any signs of swelling, corrosion, or leakage. These symptoms can indicate that your battery needs replacement under warranty. If you notice any issues, it's essential to document them. Take clear photos and note down any irregularities. MSI typically requires this information for warranty claims. Next, let's clean the battery compartment. Use a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe away any dust or debris. This step is crucial as it ensures good contact when you reinstall your battery. If you're unfamiliar with this process or feel uncomfortable doing it yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easy for you to get expert help. After cleaning, reinstall the battery carefully, making sure it fits snugly into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you're unsure about this step, or if you don't have the tools, keep in mind we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once the battery is secured, turn your laptop back on and check the battery status. You can do this by navigating to the battery settings in the control panel. Monitoring your battery life regularly can help you catch any potential issues early. If you experience problems such as rapid draining or the battery not charging, it's recommended to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team can provide you with an estimate and guidance on the next best steps. In summary, maintaining your MSI MS16R4 battery involves regular inspections and cleanings. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your battery and ensure optimal performance. If at any point you feel unsure or encounter a problem, remember, no calls, no travel, just seamless service at your convenience. We're here to help you keep your devices running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.